Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Denis Idahosa don't talk say the governor Monday Okpebholo's led government they serious wella to reduce crime and wahala wey dey shele for the state and them go still dey follow law do everything. Oga Idahosa yarn this one when he received members of the Nigerian Bar Association Benin branch, where people also sabi as the Lion Bar for one courtesy visit for Government House Benin City, where they led by the Chemo Barrister Edemudia Osifo. As they talk with the lawyers, the deputy governor Konyan them say make them join hand with the government to remove violent crime from Edo State. Say the state they meet when they enter office they full with security palava like kidnapping, courtism and other baba things. And say the governor not waste time to begin take serious action to fight all those things. He come out say na God hand and the people support make them fit reduce crime for Edo State small. Konyan the lawyer say if they work together with the government, it go help scatter crime for the state and make investors they confident to do business. Oga Idahosa come also promise that the government go support lawyers in any way we go make them do their work well.
Edo State government is committed to partner with you. And that is why we have a lot of lawyers working with us here in Govumet House. I'm not a lawyer, but I'm a lawyer by association. I want to thank you for one thing. The executive governor of Edo State came for a reason, with a clear vision and purpose that it was going to reduce crime to the barest minimum. He came as you can know, you attest to that fact that we were faced with a lot of insecurity, like kidnapping, courtesan, violence-related issues, and a lot of things were happening in the state. And he needed to take a decisive action to address that menace. It was a plague, but to the glory of God, with your support, I believe we have done reasonably well in reducing crime in Edo State. I understand that you requested for logistics, but you know I'm not the governor of Edo State. We want to be sincere. We don't want to act like previous administrations. What we intend to do, like you rightly stated, that among all different branches across the country, is only the Lion Bar that do not have a boss. Am I not that? Yes. I want to communicate with. I want us to communicate. So you don't have a boss, and I'm very certain that my boss, the executive governor of Edo State, would not want to hear that. And I will relay this message to him, and I believe we will do justice to that. Thank you very much. Under normal circumstances, I would have yielded the floor to my PS to speak to lawyers. Lawyers speak to lawyers, and lawyers but because of protocol, I think after the meetings, both of you can have a conversation. But the most important thing to me is this visit. I think it's timely, and we want to request for a strong collaboration with Nigerian Bar Association, especially Benin branch, to join us to combat crime and to reduce crime to the barest minimum in Edo, so that you, your family, and our relatives will live a very peaceful life in Edo State.
Earlier, the Chemo of NBA Benin branch Edemudia Osifo congratulates and hailed Governor Okpebholo and the Deputy Denis Idahosa for their swearing in and had them they try fight security wahala for Edo. A court talk say NBA they maintain better relationship with government to help bring better life come people's side. A constantly praised the Okpebholo government say them appoint lawyers put for better position inside government. As they talk about rule of law, Osifo Kontok said the bar believes say this government go do well, especially as them don't swear in 3 judges where the last government no agree swear in. A court talk say that action shows say this government ready to correct the justice system and respect law for Edo, and say NBA Benin branch ready to work with government to fight crime and make society better.
Geared towards strengthening the issue of democracy, and we believe this administration has already reinforced that partnership reputable and capable members of the Nigerian Bar Association into various positions in your administration. On the issue of strengthening delivery of the dividends of democracy, we wish to commend your administration for wasting your time in swearing in the 3 judges who faced a rather unfortunate situation during the past administration. By that action, there was a clear demonstration of the political willingness by this administration to reposition Edo State in terms of justice delivery and rule of law. And it is also in the spirit of rule of law that we commend Your Excellency, your administration, for the rigorous fight against crime in the state. The fruits of this fight are very visible, but we wish to urge Your Excellency to soft pedal in demolition of houses traced to crime, as well as to avoid harming innocent citizens, which this government genuinely intends to protect. Once again, we wish to reiterate the leader's commitment to supporting the government of the day. That commitment has never wavered, and we do not intend to break that chain of partnership. Perhaps I should add that, well, over the years, this partnership has suffered some setbacks because successive administrations did not fulfill their promise to the bar, especially with promises made to supply the bar with pivotal logistical machinery, prominent among which is the coastal bus and utility van, which will aid our work of justice delivery and betterment of states. So this ESCO will be delighted and happy if this token of our partnership can be given to us. So at least we can say that we are enjoying the fruits of an administration in Edo State. We have made that demand 3 times inside these premises, but not for this administration. So we hope that this time we will go back home smiling.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojisole, TMC News.